Hello, welcome to another Polkadoodles video. In this video, I'm creating this beautiful little piece of home decor in some beautiful bright colours, and I've been using the Pretty Frames, Jars, Botanicals and Borders bundle of chipboard from the Polkadoodles website, which consists of a massive pack of jars and containers where I've used the vase from that set. To go along with these, you also get this set of MDF bases, and each design from this set has a base that matches it. So I picked the relevant one to go with the vase, which has got a narrower kind of slit in it to go with the base of the vase there. Then, also from this bundle, you have this beautiful set of frames, so the Pretty Frames, and I picked out this little one here to be sort of like the base or the supporting part for my foliage in this design. And you also have the gorgeous sentiments in this particular pack within this bundle as well. So I did You Brighten My Day as the gorgeous sentiment. Then for the foliage, I was using the Pretty Botanicals and some of these gorgeous smaller kind of leaf elements, which maybe you have left over after you've done some other projects with the other pieces in here. And then finally, I did use a tiny little bit of one of the border strips, which is the Pretty Border Strips pack. So those are all of the items that are included in that bundle, and those are the pieces that I used on this. But as well as using those, on the vase you can see I've got a striped effect on here. Now, if you didn't know, Chipboard embosses really nicely in your embossing folders. So I actually used the Polkadoodles embossing folder called Elegant Stripe and just used the stripy portion of this to make my vase stripy. Now, this folder in particular hasn't like completely sort of moulded the actual vase. It just gives a very subtle kind of effect that the ink spray kind of picked up into. But if you have any 3D embossing folders in your stash, they look absolutely beautiful with their sculpted dimensional effect using them with your chipboard. So if you have any of those, try them out with this chipboard because it looks fantastic. And then I wanted to tie in a couple of more pinky tones on this project, so I also brought in the Cup of Kindness die set from Polkadoodles and used a few of the small flowers from in here just to add the gorgeous little floral decoration onto here and to tie in my pink tones across the project. So I hope you like the look of the project that I created. Enjoy the rest of the video showing you exactly how I made it. Thanks so much for watching. Bye!